Hi everybody, this is Dalia with Dalia's Dishes and Destinations and Diana my bird in the background. Today she is in rare form, but today we are going to make Natilla Cuban vanilla pudding. It's a little different than what you're thinking when you're thinking of vanilla pudding. Cuban vanilla pudding is a whole different delicious dessert. There's lots of ingredients that go into our vanilla pudding, and this is not your Jell-O box of vanilla pudding, imitation pudding. Today, I'm using one of my dear friend's recipes. This recipe was given to me many years ago. I have 3 different natilla recipes, all given to me by 3 different people very close to me. This one was given to me by my dear friend Marilynn Perez. We lost her during the COVID days way too soon. I'm glad I was given this recipe by her many years ago because now I get to share this recipe with you and especially her sons that she left behind and her husband. So Marilynn, this one's for you. I love you and miss you every day. The recipe is real super easy and not very time consuming. I want to get these recipes perfected here at home so that way I can teach you how to do these same recipes when you're in your RV or on a vacation and you want to whip up some quick little desserts for your family gatherings. Right now, I just added my 1 cup of milk to my cornstarch, and I blended it, made sure there was no lumps in it. I'm going to put it to the side. I'll use that later. I'm going to now add the rest of my ingredients minus my condensed milk and sugar. We're going to let it come to a small rolling boil, and we'll get back to you in just a few minutes. Hi everybody, this is Dalia with Dalia's Dishes and Destinations, and today we're on a little field trip. I'm going to show you all my favorite places when I'm in the Tampa area where I was born and raised. This is my favorite bakery, but I have many, but this is my top favorite, and this is called La Caridad. La Caridad Bakery, Angel's Caridad Bakery in Tampa, Florida. Del cachata. But unfortunately, my favorite thing that I buy here is not in. They're out.
Estas son de jamón y chorizo. Tiene mini chori, tiene de coco.
Scachata pizza. No other bakery makes it the same. They all make it different, and this is the best. But
Ajá. A comer. Dame la comida buena, chicharrones, papitas fritas. Dame un bistec de cerdo, frijoles negros,
natilla is finished. We're going to just put it into a bowl, let it cool, and put it into some individual bowls as well. I probably would have doubled the recipe if you wanted to have a lot left over, because you can cool it in small bowls with covers on it. But it did give me a lot. So for one family, a family of 4, you're going to have plenty. I just overdo things. Again, this was my friend Marilynn's recipe. Our children grew up together. My husband knew her husband when they were kids. Our kids went to church and Catholic school together, had their first communions together, went on to high school. And as life rushes by, you get caught up in your life and you forget to hang out with your friends. COVID came and it showed us how dear our families were and how we needed to stay close to family and keep together. Me cooking brings families together, brings our friends together. At least that's what I like about cooking. Of course, I love the food. But remember, if you like this recipe and you want many, many more, remember to like, subscribe, and share our recipes. And again, Marilynn, I love you. I miss you. And this one's for you. Here are 3 desserts that I've made today. And this is Cuban vanilla pudding, natilla, arroz con leche rice pudding, and Cuban bread pudding. All today, made videos for you guys. So remember, if you like this video and you want many, many more of these desserts and my videos that you've seen before, please like, subscribe, and share. And remember, don't forget your cinnamon, because it's a must in my house for my husband and his Cuban desserts. Or remember, if you like it, share it. And remember, if you feed them, they will come.